What's going on YouTube? TGIF. Thank goodness it's Friday. I worked outside most of the day. Oh gosh, I forgot to check if I'm... Anyway, in pressure washing the house. Hopefully it's supposed to start getting painted on Monday. I started out early. I got in one reaction and now I'm doing another one. Just have to take my breaks when I can get them. So I hate that this is our last song from our last section from the Bird's Nest. I hate that, but what that means is in maybe a week I'm going to be able to go to his TV shows. So I have a lot of suggestions for which ones to start with, and I'll just pick one and let you know when I'm going to react to it. And this is my plan. Since it's a TV show, I don't think it's going to go the normal fashion. We're almost going to have to do it a live stream, which Bushy's going to have to help me with because I don't know how to do that. And I am going to wear earbuds and mute this laptop, and you guys will just watch it on your end and we'll watch it together. That's the only way I can think of that we could watch it together. We tried on vacation to live stream something, and Bushy forgot to mute it on our side, so then you could hear it through our video, which was okay. It live streamed okay, but we couldn't leave it up for other people to enjoy. So what we're going to do is try to do it to where there's nothing on my side that is offensive or copyright infringement, and yet still be able to watch it together. Now, I live in the Eastern Standard Zone in Florida. So you guys need to tell me what time, and if you could figure it out, that would be way better than me trying to figure it out. What time I should do this to fit most of you guys. If you would figure it out in Eastern Standard Time, the most convenient time. I don't care if it's in the middle of the night here, if the most people can watch it wherever you are, you know. I hope you understand what I'm saying. So anyway, without babbling anymore, I backed it up, I think, a little bit. So here we go.
我演唱会的最后一首。从快男的时候就看我的朋友们知道，我是一个我非常的喜欢，甚至很爱张国荣。我爱的不只是他的音乐，是他整个人，不只仅是他的作品。我觉得他是可以让人变得更好，甚至想要变得更好。
Yep. He's describing himself too.
我从小也以他为榜样。至于我每年演唱会，我都想用最后一首歌来去让大家知道，这首歌代表了我们每一个人的心声，也让大家都知道，我们有很多的人都还在想念他，惦记着他。 记得他的话，来鼓舞我们成长。
Yeah.
接下来这首歌，
I remember hearing that a good friend of his passed away.
张国荣，我
Yeah. You can see the sadness in his eyes. I just want to say, sometimes people get caught up in the moment and at a concert, and this feels like it's a more solemn song for him and could have used a little more, I don't know if he would really want that, but quiet, solemn respect. But I wasn't there. I can't say, but it seems to me like that's what I would have done. Oh, let me go back. I was just thinking, there is far too many messages out there telling people that they're wrong and they're just not right, and not enough people telling people that we're all the pride of the Creator. And it is true that I may not view things the way you do, but none of us have the total inside scoop, if you know what I mean. We have ideas that we live by, that other people have other ideals that they live by. So I think the suicide rate among teenagers, young people, we just need to embrace them more, and they need to hear this song, because that's basically, it's a song of acceptance of who you are in God's eyes.
我就是我，是颜色不一样的烟火，天空海阔，要做最坚强的泡沫。我喜欢我，让蔷薇开出一 结果。孤独的沙漠里，一样盛放的赤裸裸。
I know if you've listened to me for a while, you've heard my comments on this song, so I won't harp on them. But I just think it's a message that people need to hear.
多么高兴，在流离无中快乐生活。对世界说，什么是光明和磊落？我就是我。 是颜色不一样的烟火，天空海阔，要做最坚强的泡沫。我喜欢我，让蔷薇开出一种结果。 孤独的沙漠里，一样盛放的赤裸裸。我就是我。 是颜色不一样的烟火，天空海阔，要做最坚强的泡沫。我喜欢我，让蔷薇开出一种结果。 孤独的沙漠里，一样盛放的赤裸裸。
Yep. Aww. You know, it's through that song that, before and after, as he's telling the story, you can see his heart, and it's just so tender.
5年前，我其实是一个有一点点封闭自己的人。直到有一天，我们的快男的导演组找到了我。把我带出来， 来到了一个陌生的城市，参加了一个对我来说很陌生的比赛。本来我有一点点也不知道，我很矛盾，也不知道自己到底是不是唱歌的这一块料。
What？
直到我海选的时候遇到了尚雯婕，她给了我很大的信心。她今天也在现场。我希望今天的演唱会，这一整场下来，能够让尚雯婕觉得5年前那个海选里面那个有点神经叨叨的小孩，让他一个人去力挺，他没有选错。5年前，我是一个很害怕外界的人，我甚至中途想过要退出比赛，理由让人觉得很可笑，仅仅只是因为我害怕当明星，害怕把自己的音乐拿出来跟大家分享。我总觉得我自己在我自己的一个小世界里面活着挺快乐的，我不知道我该不该走到大众的视野里。
That's interesting that he was happy being, well, he was a happy introvert, and it was kind of a struggle for him to get out of it. You know, I'm an extrovert, and so I never understand an introvert being happy in his introvert state. But we're all different.
而且，我那一段时间有时候会经常看一下微博，然后我的微博下面有很多的人在给我留言，有很多人关心我，很多人喜欢我。我当时很害怕，因为我觉得这么多人喜欢我，我要怎么来回馈你们？后来我找到了一个方法，就是你们都在关心我的时候，关心我睡得好不好，吃得好不好。
Okay, so this is the core difference between who he is. Instead of getting more for himself from his celebrity status, he wanted to make sure he was giving back. And I'm not sure celebrities in general have that mindset. Personally,
你们都在关心我的时候，关心我睡得好不好，吃得好不好，那我就想，那我就让自己活得自由一点，活得让你们觉得你们每次看到我的时候都是无忧无虑的，然后告诉你们我每天有吃好睡好，即使我今天生病了，我也老老实实的告诉你们我今天生病了。我们就像家人一样，不隐藏，不隐瞒。那
oh, can you hear the person crying in the background? I feel like I hear somebody crying. 哦。
除了我的狗子，我是不准备跟你们分享。
It is very touching. I feel like too.
但我那只狗很可爱的，但是你们看不到。
What？
好，在5年前，我在一次演唱会上，我跟大家说，你们知道，其实我是一个很害怕承诺的人，因为我觉得，我怕我一旦做了承诺，我做不到，我会觉得这样的自己很糟糕。但是我5年前，我鼓起了一次勇气，我站在舞台上，对着你们做了一次我对你们的第一个承诺。我说，在未来，不管是5年、10年、15年、20年，我希望有一天我能够站在舞台上，对你们说一声：你们选择我，跟随我，没有错。所以到了5年，我今天，我想站在全国最大的体育场，站在一个很多歌手都梦寐以求的一个舞台上，拿出我的成绩来告诉你们，这5年来，你们选择我，没有错。我原本今天也想今天最后一首歌唱我结束，但是我觉得5年了，我成长了，你们也成长了，所以我写了一首新歌。我觉得从今年开始，从现在开始，我们要走进一个新的世界，跨过5年，然后跟我一起到一个新的火星。最后一首歌《新世界》。
Honey, we're going to be following you to several more 5 years of new exploration to different Mars. It's not just going to be for 5 more years, but for 5 more years after that and after that. Well, some of us will. I may not be here, but you know. Okay, I'm going to stop right here. I'm going to say I did learn, and I can't tell you exactly, but I do know that this is a special vocalization, kind of like a spiritual vocalization. And although I can't put my finger on the right words of it, I did learn this from you guys in the comments. Oh, they're saying, get yourself off the stage. They're saying, we're on overtime. You need to exit the stage.
拜拜啦。
so nice. They all come down with him. Yes. Well, soon anyway. And so we say goodbye to the bird's nest. That was fun, and honestly, I could see why people love this so much. Even though he was not feeling well during the concert, I mean, the heartfelt speech he was giving and the view into himself that we were getting, very special, very special. I do want to say one thing that's been happening in the comments. I did ask if people would give me their interpretations of the song Why People Fight. Okay, and so people have done that. And I do want to say, I don't accept any specific one as Hua Chenyu's meaning behind the song, because he has said himself it's open to interpretation. I can see many sides of where everybody's coming from. The one I liked a lot was the one that I wish I had my phone with me. I took a picture of it and I was going to say your name, the person who posted this. The one I liked a lot was when you're singing in a group of people united in the atmosphere that he brings. You can see why nobody fights, because you're united and you're all there for the same purpose. And I really liked that one too. So, what he means is up to interpretation. Who's to know, right? And so don't sweat it. Everybody's got their interpretation, and that's okay, because that's his philosophy, for us to interpret the songs as we do. Also, please consider liking and subscribing. It helps out the channel. And until next time, YouTube, wait. Y'all do the thing about the time. When's a good time to start looking at the show. So, until next time, YouTube, smile like you mean it, from the Bushy fam.